No matters like Bipin is very wonderful trainer. Got inspired by his classes and everything. Do's and don'ts are very much important in everyone's life. The confidence makes me trigger everywhere. Results were very good, and leads, I went on to do the leads generation, and it was on a daily basis. I used to get 5 to 6 leads. I'm satisfied. I'm eager to learn much more than this. With the digital nomad, on a sales experience is awesome.
Make you cry like a baby. Your body love it when I make this video. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
Hi everyone, meet Nagraj. He's a digital nomad from Bangalore. So he got his first client in just 30 days, and also he started running ads for his own business as well. Nagraj, congratulations. Great job on taking action.
Thank you very much, Vipin.
That's amazing. So tell me, like, what's your background and how did you find us?
Well, my background, I am from recruitment industry, and I have 20 plus years of experience in recruitment. And I have come across Mr. Bipin for digital nomad. Learning this thing was very on very curiosity note, and I step forward only when I have confidence, and I put forward things which were well versed in my life, and to gear up my life in such a manner that no matters like Bipin is very wonderful trainer. Got inspired by his classes and everything. He's well versed in sense in his kitty uh, classes. He knows what to do and what not to do. Do's
Mhm.
and don'ts are very much important in everyone's life. And I know Bipin has suffered a lot in his career, and but he geared up only once awareness awakes in his life.
Hmm. Hmm.
That
So,
is very important.
uh, yeah, thanks. Okay. So, what all you learned? Like, were you skeptical when you wanted to join? And then once you joined, what all skills you started learning?
I was not skeptical, but I was very confident that I have to learn digital marketing.
Mm, mm,
And I didn't knew the phases, like what all phases I have to undergo and everything. But it was very easy going
mm,
with the digital nomad as a
mm,
freelancer, which helped me to gear up my things on and toes. Every time I was a little bit, you know, worried whether I will do it myself.
mm.
The confidence makes me trigger everywhere things, and Bipin helped me in every phase of life,
Okay.
every point.
You help me. So that becomes easy for me to converse. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, was that okay? Because you have gone through so many trainings and you're from HR, commerce background, business background.
Hmm.
Um, so I know you also have been training a lot of people.
Yeah.
So on that note, how was my training and how did it, like, yeah, what is just a feedback? How was that? Yeah, tell me about the training and the teachings that you got from me.
Training in aspects like any layman can work on the digital without prior knowledge of marketing or anything. A
Hmm,
technicality, if you don't know any technicality, if you want to make a journey of a digital no marketing, Bipin is the one. I suggested one of my event manager was in need of promoting promotion marketing, performance marketing, and all. I
okay,
suggested your name. Probably you will get the call
okay, okay,
in a
nice,
week's time. In week's
nice,
time.
nice.
So I help people as well as like a help will come back. Where
Correct,
Bipin helped me
correct,
getting into the digital nomad.
correct.
Money doesn't matter.
Hmm.
Knowledge,
Value, correct.
value, power of making things happening is very important,
Correct.
which I
So,
see you Bipin made me to do this.
so you started implementing Facebook ads, copywriting for your own business.
Yes, I did copywriting and Facebook ads and Instagram ads for my own business, which is called Dry Fruits, which is Sidvik Dry Fruits, which
Hmm.
is at my native. I
Hmm.
see there's a lot of scope in my area.
Okay.
So I wanted to test and prove myself. I'm 100% fit in this.
Hmm.
And so I wanted to test on my own thing.
Got
And
it.
then I already have few clients in my kitty
Hmm.
where I need to go and pitch, and I'm confident that I'll get few more. Uh,
Yes. uh, let's say about the clients, let's be there. So you tried for your own dry food business, and definitely I'm sure there'll be trial and errors, mistakes when you tried it for the first time. But what was your result? What happened?
Results were very good, and leads. I went on to do the leads generation,
Mm.
and it was on a daily basis. I used to get 5 to 6 leads,
Wow. Okay.
and were all convertible.
Okay. Okay. Nice.
And I used to run the festivals. Content writing was like that. And
Huh.
then in this festival season, avail 15% offer
Okay. Got it.
on
Got
the
it. So you
purchase of.
got the right client. Now, if you have a person who can convert, give them the better deal, make them conversion, sales, business will grow, correct?
Yeah, yes,
Yes. Awesome. And now coming to the clients, because you said you have few people in your own network, and
yeah,
definitely they will say yes for you.
yes,
Yeah, and you can easily charge them 30, 40 grand a month. Easily you can
yes,
charge.
yes.
Only thing, let's say it's like first time riding a bike, we'll be scared.
Yeah,
Now you had your own bike, you slowly started riding it. You got the
yes,
confidence. Now you can
yes,
go and ride other bikes as well.
yes.
So it's the same thing.
Just same thing, and I have to get hang on to their phase
Correct. That's it.
mode of things which I have to do
Correct.
and deliverables.
Let's say you have four, five clients. How many people are in your list or in your network? That can
5.
five people. Let's say five people. Uh, if you charge them 30,000 also, it's a 1,50,000 worth business
Yes,
in the initial stage.
in the initial stage.
Every month, 1,50,000.
Yes,
And then you can always keep growing it up, and you can easily achieve 3 lakhs, 5 lakhs a month.
3 lakhs is definitely.
Yes. So, are you happy that you found this program and you learned? Are you satisfied?
I'm satisfied. I'm eager to learn much more than this.
Got it. Perfect. Awesome. Uh, so, did you get the support from the community? Like, were you stuck somewhere, or any of you? Did you get the support? How about the community?
Community was very good. My interaction was very less, but
Mm.
I used to. My learning is a little bit entirely different in terms of. I used to see the problem solving skills from all the other members. Though I had a US experience prior to calling into recruitment, I said that was made me very easy to go on the call
Mm.
flows.
Mm.
You know, I'm so much confident that I can go to the international level and get the clients done.
Correct.
But I want to put my step base strong here in India, then go forward on international. After learning from the extra verge of learning uh, from you, I would definitely help myself, going forward with the international clients.
Got it. Perfect. Awesome. Uh, and yeah, when it comes to website, how did you build websites in the past? Did you had some experience, or this is the first time you built a website?
No, prior, I didn't had experience, but I tried in COVID
Mm.
period for my dry fruit shop. You know, I tried the various level and I got little bit of success, but
Mm.
it was like when we play puzzle games, like putting your things in right way.
Correct.
Just I did with GoDaddy and dot pet or something. I did with.
Mm.
Then I got a real experience, seeing trained by you,
Mm.
and I built the website. Then I got to know the phases of the website, how to build.
Mm. Mm.
So what was a
You
dot
got more
com?
knowledge.
yeah, more knowledge, and how to get recognize the website globally.
Hmm.
It was very important session.
Perfect. So now you're also, you said that you're also building a website for a new brand or new business. What is that?
Yes, that is like, one point touch point services for any everything. You might require like, birthdays, a naming ceremony. you know these are all like event services which I wanted to render.
Hmm.
It might be like, you paying a phone bill
Hmm.
online,
Hmm.
one touch point solution, like for you, yoga guys, who trainers who need help for their clients to get this thing,
Hmm.
and for tutorials for 10th standard, all these classes, and for yogis like pujaris, for any events.
Hmm.
These are all the things which I'm going to bring in one platform and build I'm already started that business. It's like getting a website getting ready. I'm going one step ahead. Only the fair thing is I have to build a database of things which I'm in phase of doing it.
Yes, got it. But because now you understood how how website work, you're also exploring new other things
Mhm.
on the websites, correct?
Yes, and this event management will help me in digital marketing, branding myself, as well as, pushing my clients for advertising,
Got,
Facebook ads, Instagram ads,
got it.
so that
And
I can get clients also.
got it. Finally, like what was your feedback on learnings on sales closing? Because
Sales
you're
close.
already, you're from a commerce business background,
Mm.
your profession is HR. The sales, you might have gone through different sales and sales and closing, but what was your experience with this?
With the digital nomad, on a sales experience is awesome.
Okay.
It was like in-depth knowledge, like how, in what phase I have to trigger point, and like how to convert
Hmm.
at the phase, like we will get stuck, where whether we will understand that the client is not going to say yes for going forward. At that phase, I need to see what is the trigger point, like where I can pitch and say, like, to convert that
Hmm.
client.
Hmm.
So that was the knowledge I got here.
Okay. Overall, great. So overall, learning on a scale of 1 to 10, how do you want to rate the entire journey?
9.5.
Okay, thanks. That's a lot. Thank you so much. And this is just the beginning, just the beginning. There's a long way to go. For me also, it's 5 years. I also tell it's just the beginning. So,
Yes,
there's a long way. For you also, you're just getting started. There'll be a lot of challenges which will come in a way. The only way that you'll get the result is when you push through. Keep
yes,
pushing through the challenges, you will keep moving forward, getting the result.
yeah,
And yeah, all the very best. I'm really happy that you took action, you implemented on your website, you're thinking about a new business now, and you started running ads for your own business. That's really growth.
yeah,
Results will come long term, but in the shortest time, let's say in 30 days, you did so much. You just have to tap your back. It's a lot of growth.
yeah. One hand is not enough tapping back.
Uh,
I do it myself. When other taps my back is really matters.
mm, correct, correct. Yeah, that I like that. I like that. When others say, like you've done great, amazing, then it matters a lot. Amazing.
Y-
Got it.
Yes.
All right. So thank you so much. It was really nice connecting today.
Thank you, Bipin. You have a wonderful day, and I think it's a long weekend. You'll do much more on that.
Yeah. Uh, bye.
Bye.